In this video, we will show you how to use subbands to create different versions of this table, each with different filtering and PixelPerfect report templates. To get started, create a new PixelPerfect template. Go to the reporting section of the app and select the tab Template, then click the PixelPerfect template button. Give a name to the report and then click Create. The first step is to create data binding. Open the Field List menu and then open Levels and search for the object you want to use as a level. In this example, we add Yearly Regional Sales. Next, let's add another level. Under Fields, select Order Year. We will use these objects for data binding later. Now, let's create the banded structure. Right-click on the Detail 1 band, select Insert Band, and then select Detail Report. Right-click the Detail 2 band within the Detail Report band you just created. Select Insert Band, and then Detail Report. Now let's add a group header. Right-click the Detail 3 band within the second Detail Report band you just created. Select Insert Band, and then Group Header. The group header band is inserted above the Detail 3 band. Now let's add the subbands. Right-click the group header 1 band you just created and select Insert Subband. The subband is inserted within the parent group header 1 band. Repeat this process 2 more times, so there are 3 subbands nested within group header 1. Reduce the space between the bands by using the cursor. Now, let's bind the content to the data sources. Select the outermost Detail Report band in the structure. Click the gear icon at the edge of the design surface. In the menu, select the Order Year level as the data member. This creates a separate table for each region. Next, select the Detail Report 2 band and click the gear icon. In the menu, select the Yearly Regional Sales level as the data member. This binds the table structure to the source data for the chart. In the Field List menu, expand Levels. Within the Yearly Regional Sales level, drag the region and sales fields onto the Detail 3 band located below the subbands. Click the Sales label, then click the gear icon that appears next to it. In the pop-up menu, open the Format String Editor dialog. Choose the currency and adjust the decimal points. Click OK. Resize the Detail 3 band to shrink it so it fits the items inside. Now, let's add conditions to the subbands. Select Subband 1 and open the Expression menu. In the menu, select Visible and enter the appropriate expression. Configure each subband so it only appears when a specific value in the region level cycle is present. In this case, we use the year as a condition. When done, click OK. Repeat this process for the other subbands, changing the year in each expression. The final step is to add titles and column headers. From the field list, expand Levels and drag the Order Year field within it onto the Detail 2 band. Resize the object as desired. Customize font properties in the Properties menu under Appearance Font. Next, let's add column headers for the subbands. From the toolbox, drag 2 label objects, one for region, one for sales, onto subband 1. Insert your custom text for the labels. Arrange the labels as desired. Customize the font as desired. For example, you can make column headers stand out by making them bold and increasing the font size. Copy the two labels and paste them onto subband 2 and subband 3. Then reduce the empty space in the bands When done, click Save Template, then click Preview Report. Download the report and open it. And here's the result. You've now created a table with subbands, each with different filtering. In this case, there's one subband for each year. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.